What should you do if you are the only woman in the room in a meeting? First up, I go by the words of a chief executive client I worked with who now runs a big global company. And she said for a long time I was the only woman in that boardroom. She said at least they remembered me. So just remember that it's okay to be the only, and you might be a different kind of only. Own being the only. And then when you speak, don't apologize for being different. Absolutely take your time, put the brakes on, fill the room with your energy, and really own your words. Then they will remember you for the right reasons. If you want to know more about this, my brand new course and my brand new webinar, the 4-step system to speaking with confidence, is out now. Sign up below.